What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival. We just got this thing in. 1984 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. I'm going to dive deeper into this thing. And first off, you can see this thing's lifted up. It's got a rough country lift. It's got, I want to say, 35-inch tires on it. This thing is a beast. It's got a 5.7 350. Pretty standard. Air conditioning is disconnected, but the thing runs beautifully. Engine bay is fairly clean. I got it running right now. It's got American Racing wheels. Super Swamper tires. The interior is really nice. Your standard black. You got Chevrolet embossed on the seats there. Nice bucket seats. Tilt wheel. It's got a nice little rumble to it. It's got like a darker blue color. Metallic. Give this thing a rev so you can hear it. And getting in this thing is a bit of a mission. You got to kind of jump in there. I'm going to run through what works for you. Horn is inoperable. Your wipers do work. Let's go ahead and turn them off. Your climate control, like I said, your air conditioning is disconnected, but your heat does work. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood radio, which does work. Just I'm inside, so it's a little harder to pick up a station, but it does work. Bluetooth, all the modern functionalities you need. There's a range selector. As you can see, it warmed up. The idle kicked down a little bit. Here's all your gauges. I believe all of them work. The odometer reads 58,000 miles. As you can see, it's got an overdrive transmission. Probably like a 700 R4, something like that when it came in here. I'm not completely sure. It's got power windows, power locks. Let me try the hazards. And getting out of here is actually a mission too. So your lights work and your hazards. Except right here, this one is out. As you can see, this one is working on this side. So the right side is out on the fender. Let's try the back. The back does in fact work, both of them. So pretty much everything works there. Let's go ahead and turn those off and turn the lights off. So the interior, the dash, great shape, headliner. Probably replaced at one point because it's in really good shape. Back there, your back seat area, great shape. As you know, it's a K5, so this topper, I believe, does come off. Now, your window back here does not work, but we are working on getting that fixed. So that will be fixed. You get your Jim McKay dealer emblem there. Pretty cool. I have underneath photos on the website, which I could just show you underneath here. Pretty clean under there. Pretty standard. Just an awesome truck. I mean, I live here in the Chicagoland area, so it's very uncommon to see these things lifted up like this. So this is definitely a cool thing, a cool vehicle for me personally. I love this thing, and I would actually drive this thing everywhere. Drives awesome. Like I said, it's got tilt wheel. Just an awesome cruiser if you're looking for a K5. This is the one to get. It's in great shape, drives great. If you are interested in this 1984 Chevrolet Blazer, please contact us at 847-848-1850. This vehicle is located at our warehouse, a beautiful warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock. This is just some of them. Visit the website mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We have a full service center for anything you need taken care of on your vehicle, so speak to your sales representative to get a quote. Otherwise stated, all of our vehicles are sold as is. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and closed, bonded and insured. Hope everyone has a great day. I want to see somebody take this K5 Blazer home with you. And remember, folks, this thing sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage or your driveway, just in general, in your possession. We own all of our cars. Give us a call, and let's get you taken care of. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars. Mr. Jenkins out.